Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Today I'm gonna do a test for a commission piece. It needs to become a huge piece with a sort of corner design in greens, and it's inspired by this painting. So today I'm gonna try it out small first before I start on this big canvas. So let's get started. Alright, so as I said, this is going to be a test canvas for a big, and then I mean a big commission piece. I have here the colors that I used in a previous painting. You can check it out up. And yeah, let's just dive into it. I'm gonna start layering a base color. And let's blow that out. So this is gonna be a Dutch pour chaos style, but then with a side design. Yeah, and I'll start layering colors, chaos style. Okay, let's add some white too. Then paynes gray. Then just a little bit of the pale green too, and then I'll add some gold. Maybe here. And I love gold on the paynes gray. So there's a lot of paint on the canvas again. But yeah, that works with these designs, I must say. So I'll add just a little bit more of the pale green here. And let's start blowing this out. I will blow it first to the sides and then blow it a little bit up again. Yeah, this always looks weird, but yeah, now it's the meaning to make it pretty. This, by the way, is already super pretty, and here that gold, whew, super nice. So I'll start blowing here. So it does have some super nice parts. It went bigger than I thought, by the way. I really wanted to make a sort of side design like that. Here we have a big patch of the olive green. I don't know if I like that, but yeah, overall, I really do like this design. So I will just start tweaking it a little bit with the mouth blowing and yeah, go from there. You know, I love the cells here and here, but this part I'm not such a fan of. If I blow this in that direction, I'm probably breaking that up. So maybe if I torch that part, it will look prettier to me. Oh yeah, it's kind of cool now. I think I do like that patch there, and it's a test. But yeah, I'm gonna do it a little bit different for the commission piece. Maybe, by the way, it would be cool to make here a little design. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I can always cover it later with this color, with the pale green. And some white. Not too much. That's all right. And gold. I don't think I'll blow that out by mouth. Just a little bit more of the green. I'm out. I'm out. Huge air bubbles. Let's pop you. Could have even be bigger, you know, go there, but yeah, I don't wanna touch this again. I will bring you up for a close-up. What a busy one, but it's so cool, very cool. Man, look at this stunner. Woo. It's great. You see here what I was talking about with the gold on the edges? Here as well. That will dry so beautiful. Here a lot of lacing makes it super soft on the edges, and here too. That's something I really like. Then here we have a big patch of the olive green, but I think it works in this design. Since there's a lot of negative space here, but also a lot of things are going on. And this part, yes, that really finishes the composition. Okay, I'm so happy with this. Turned out super different than I thought and had in mind. I would love to hear your opinion. And of course, if you love this, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.